Hi guys, it's Miss Danielle. So today we're going to talk about analogies. Now that might sound like a big word, but it might be a concept that you're already familiar with. And once you realize what it is that you're looking for in analogies, it's actually pretty easy. So let's get started. So what are analogies? Analogies compare two things that appear to be different but have some traits in common. So when you're looking for analogies, it's almost like you're solving a puzzle. You are trying to determine what the relationship is between the words you're given. So if we say bear is to cave as boy is to house, that might sound a little confusing. So let's say it a different way. A bear lives in a cave, a boy lives in a house. What is the relationship there? A cave is somewhere where a bear lives, and a house is somewhere a boy lives. The relationship we're looking for is where something lives. Let's do another example. Hot is to cold as tall is to short. Let's think about it for a moment. I'll give you a second to think. What is the relationship there? Think about hot and cold and think about tall and short. That's right. Hot is opposite of cold and tall is opposite of short. So that's the relationship we're looking for here, things that are opposite of each other. Let's do another one together. Vanilla is to ice cream as flamingo is to bird. Think about it for a little bit. What's the relationship? Vanilla is a type of ice cream and a flamingo is a type of bird. So just like vanilla is one type of ice cream you can get, flamingo is one type of bird you might find. All right, we're going to do this one, and I'm going to give you a little bit more time to think of it on your own. So you finish the sentence. Glove is to hand as sock is to what? Think about it. That's right, foot. Because you wear your gloves on your what? Your hands. And your socks you wear on your feet. So this is actually a very simple concept. What you're going to be doing as we study analogies is kind of trying to solve a puzzle. You're looking for the relationship. So just like in the examples we've been given, whether it's type, whether it's opposite, whether it's a relationship like where something lives, you are going to find what that thing is that the two items have in common and solve the puzzle. That's all we have for today, guys. We will go over this together live in class. You also have an exercise that you can do. It's an introduction exercise. We'll work on more of these next week as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. And until then, I'll see you next time.